Today we're going to be talking about single replacement reactions, and specifically we're going to take a look at this reaction here. We're going to predict the following single replacement reaction, okay? And if there is no reaction, we'll write NR for no reaction. Okay? So you'll notice that we have AuCl2 aqueous plus Li, so gold chloride plus lithium solid. And the first thing we're going to do is determine which metal is more active. Okay? In this case, if we look at table J in our reference table, table J indicates to us that the more active metal here is going to be lithium. Okay, so keep that in mind. The next thing is we're going to go ahead and write out our generic formula to determine the products. So our generic formula for single replacement reactions is going to be the following. It's going to be A, B, plus C yields. In this case, since we have gold and lithium, which are both metals, we'll switch A and C. So A plus Cb. Now, if these were nonmetals, then we would end up switching B and C. But since lithium is a metal, okay, and since gold is a metal, we're going to be switching those places. Now we're going to do number 3. Ask yourself, is the metal the reactant or the product? The metal, and I should say the lone metal, okay? And in this case, the lone metal here, lithium, is going to be the reactant. If the metal that is more active is the reactant, then this reaction will occur. And if it is the less active, then no reaction. So let's take a look up here and let's see. Since lithium is by itself here, and since it's the reactant, and since it's more active, then this reaction will occur. Okay? So the last thing we're going to do then is we'll go ahead and we'll finish writing this reaction down. And we'll write to completion. So AuCl2 aqueous plus Li solid is going to yield, and remember our generic formula, which is going to be A, B plus C yields Cb plus A, or AB plus, it doesn't matter which way you write it, A plus Cb. So our final answer then is just going to be switching the places of gold and lithium. Okay? So it'll be Au all by itself as a solid plus lithium chloride. And we're almost done. We just have to go ahead and balance the equation. And since there are 2 chlorines on this side, the left side, and since there is only 1 on this side, we'll go ahead and put a coefficient of 2 in front of lithium chloride, and finally we'll put a coefficient of 2 on the left side in front of lithium, which gives us our balanced single replacement reaction.